Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you are doing well. This is TJ's Maths and Further Maths Adventures. Please, if you're new here, press the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new content. Thank you for joining me. In today's presentation, we are looking at question from June 2022 WAEC General Mathematics Paper 2 essay question, section A, the compulsory part. We have question 1 here with us, question 1A and 1B. Question 1A read, given that bracket open 7 minus 2x bracket close, comma 9 bracket open 5x plus 17 close the bracket are consecutive terms of a geometric progression GP with common ratio r greater than 0. Find the values of x. The first thing for us to do is to identify this question is from which topic. Of course, this is from sequence and series. And this is geometric progression, one of the types of sequence. So let's look at how we can solve this. Let's write down the solution. Recall, common ratio r is given as the second term divided by the first term or the third term divided by the second term. So this is the formula to find the common ratio under geometric progression. Okay, in this case, our T1, which is first term, is 7 minus 2x. Then our T2, of course, is 9. And our T3 is 5x plus 17. So we can easily find the common ratio. Let's substitute. T2 is 9. That will be 9 divided by T1, 7 minus 2x, which is equals to now. T3 is 5x plus 17 divided by T2, which is 9. So at this point, we can easily find x. We can cross multiply. 9 times 9, this will be 9 times 9, will be equals to 7 minus 2x all in bracket times 5 plus 17 all in bracket. So 9 times 9 is 81, so we can clear the bracket here. So 7 times 5x is 35x plus 7 times 17. That will be 119. We're through with the first number here. We'll pick the second one. Minus 2x times 5x. That will be 10x squared. Plus x times x is x squared. Minus 2x times plus 17. That will be minus 34x. Okay? So, we have 81 now will be equals to, let's work on this 35x minus 34x. That will be x minus 10x squared plus 119. So clearly here, this is a quadratic equation because the highest power here is 2. So quadratic equation is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, given that a will never be equals to 0. Okay, so we need to rearrange this to look like this quadratic form. So this will be 10x squared minus x plus 81 minus 119 equals to 0. So this will be 10x squared minus x minus 81 minus 119 is 38, which is equals to 0. So clearly here we can factorize this, or we can factorize because this is a quadratic equation. So let's factorize. Okay, so let's move here. To factorize now, we think of two factors of, we multiply 10 by 38. That will be 380. We think of two factors of 380 that can give us minus 1. So the two factors are minus 20 and minus 19. Minus 20 times plus 19, rather, minus 20 and plus 19 will give us 380. 380. So the two factors are minus 20 and plus 19. That's 20x and minus 19x. So this will be 10x squared now minus 20x plus 19x minus 38 equals to 0. So the two factors will replace it with the middle term here, which is minus x. So we can group this and factor out. What is common here is 10x into x minus 2. What is common here is plus 19. That will be plus 19 into x minus 2 equals to 0. So you can see clearly that what we have in the bracket are the same. So we pick what we have outside the bracket. This will be 10x plus 19. And we pick one of the bracket, which is x minus 2 equals to 0. So it means either of this bracket here is equals to 0. So let's move here to find our x. Let's click here so that we can find the value of x. So either 10x plus 19 is equals to 0 or x minus 2 is equals to 0. So we collect like time here. This will be 10x minus 19. Then we divide both sides by 10. X now will be minus 19 divided by 10. Or we move these two, x is equals to 2. So this is the value of x. X is equals to minus 19 divided by 10, or x is equals to 2. So this is the solution to first question. Let's move to question B now. 1B. 1B. Question 1B reads, two positive numbers are in the ratio 3:4. The sum of thrice the first number and twice the second number is 68. Find the smaller number. Two positive numbers. So the first thing for us to do, let the first positive number be x, and the second positive number be y. Let the first positive number be x and let the second positive number be y. Is that taken? Then we are told from the question two positive numbers are in the ratio 3:4. That's the first statement. The two positive numbers are in the ratio 3:2, meaning we have x is to y now is equals to 3:4. X is to y means x over y, which is equals to 3:4 means 3 over 4. So we can cross multiply. We have 4x now will be equals to 3y. So clearly here we can say 4x minus 3y will be equals to 0. We can call this equation 1 from the first statement here. Then let's make progress. The question further says the sum of thrice the first number. The first positive number here is x. Let's clean here and here so that we can have enough space. Okay, so this is our equation 1. Let's interpret the next statement. The sum of thrice the first number. Thrice means that's 3 times the first number. That will be 3 times x now. Thrice means the first number. That's 3 times x. That will be 3x. The sum now plus. The sum means we add plus twice the second number. The second number is y. Twice the second number, that will be 2 times y. Is equals to 68. This word is means equals to 68. And this will be our equation 2. So we are asked to find the smaller number. So these two equations here, we can solve the two equations simultaneously. So let's write down the equation 1 here. 4x minus 3y equals to 0. Equation 2 is 3x plus 2y equals to 68. So let's eliminate x. Let's use elimination method. So to eliminate x, let's multiply equation 1 by 3. That's the coefficient of x in equation 2 now. Then let's multiply equation 2 by the coefficient of x in equation 1. Okay, so 3 times 4x, this will be 12x minus 3 times 3, that's 9y, equals to 3 times 0 is 0. 4 times 3x is 12x plus 4 times 2y is 8y equals to 4 times 68. Let's do it here. 4 times 68, this 32, put 2 carry 3, this 24 plus 3 is 27, so that will be 272. For this 32, put 2 carry 3, this 24 plus 3, which is 27. So uh, the next thing to do now is to eliminate x. See, the coefficients in equation 1 and 2 are the same, are balanced now, we can eliminate. So let's subtract equation 2 from 1. So this will be 0. We have minus 9y minus plus 8y. That will be minus 17y. This will be equals to 0 minus 272. That will be minus 272. Okay? So the next thing to do is to divide both sides by minus 17 so that we can find y. That's the next thing to do. Okay, so let's divide both sides by minus 17. Minus 17. This will divide this, we are left with y. Minus divided by minus is plus. So let's see how many 17 will we find in 272. So let's say 17 here, 1. 17 in 27, it will enter, of course, 1. It will enter 1, remainder 10. Okay, it will enter 1, remainder 10. That will be 1002. Or we can use long division to get this. So let's use long division, will be easier. Let's use our long division. 272 divided by 17. That will be 1. We multiply back. This will be 0, this will be 1, then 2. So we have 102. 17 into 102. Let's check. If we say 3, this is 21, carry to no. 3 is too small. What about, let's say 4? Let's say 5. 17 times 4? No. Let's say 5, no. 6. Let's say 6, this will be 42, 2 carry 4. This time, yes, it will enter 6. So it will be 6. 6 times 17 is 102. This will be 0, 0. So it means 17 here is 1, 17 here is 1, then remainder 10, that will be 102. Then 17 into 102 is 6. So y will be 16. So the value of y is 16. Okay, so if y is 16, we can find x. So x, now let's put y equals to 16 into equation 1. Or equation 1 is 4x minus 3y equals to 0. This is our equation 1. So anywhere we see y, we put 16. So this will be 4x minus 3 into 16 will be equals to 0. So it will be 4x minus 3 times 6 is 18, put 8 carry 1, 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1, 4. That will be 48 equals to 0. 4x will be equals to 48. So we can find x now. Let's move here to find x. Now to find x now, we divide both sides by 4. That will be 4x equals to 48. Divide both sides by 4. So x now will be equals to 4 here, 1, 4 here, 2, 4 here. 4 here rather is 1, sorry, 4 here is 2. So x is 2. But we are asked to find the smaller number. So what will be the smaller number here? X is 12 and y is 16. Okay? So the smaller number is, of course, will be x, because x is 12 and y is 16. So this is the solution to this 2b. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learned colleagues.